The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. You hear me now? No, I thought I turned on the headset, and I guess I didn't. Okay, let's try that all again. Let's roll it from the top. Good morning. Welcome to Mighty Ox Trading. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Hope everyone's ready for a good short week. Real quick, NQ and ES been coming down all night. Copper down, gold down, ultra bond mid, natural gas rising, crude kind of flat. No news this morning at all. No news really tomorrow either. A couple of little things, but then Wednesday, whole bunch of stuff right before Thanksgiving. Jobless claims, durable goods, University of Michigan sentiment, new home sales, all on Wednesday. Crude oil inventories on Wednesday, and then FOMC meeting minutes in the afternoon. So Wednesday is going to be hopping, hopping, hopping. So that's where we're sitting. That was 5 minutes, all in 30 seconds there. And we'll see where we go here. ES is trying to push up a little bit here. How's everyone doing today? You all enjoy your weekend? Some breakfast here as we watch the markets. The Black Friday sales have started, by the way. Apex announced their 8-day Black Friday Cyber Monday sale last night. 80% off all their evaluations, and that includes recurring, which means if you need more than a month, it's still 80% off. We'll be picking up a couple of evals, but I'm going to wait to see what everybody has. Obviously, Apex has the constantly trailing drawdown, which I don't like. So we'll see what ETF and the others end up with. Don't want to start. There's no reason to hurry in picking up these evals because remember you end up losing days of the month with Thanksgiving and Friday. It's gonna be markets are open. Actually, the futures markets are actually open till noon, both Thursday and Friday. But the volume is gonna be so light, it's gonna be hard to trade. So waiting until Monday to start picking, or Sunday night to buy these evals would be is going to be my strategy. So you're not losing days, trading days. We will be updating uh, the Discord. We have a section for prop firm discounts. We'll be updating the Discord as sales come in and keeping that all up to date. I see ES would have eked out 2 points here. It was nice. It's pulling back a little bit now.
By the way, good afternoon, Aurora from South Africa. I'm assuming I'm pronouncing your name right. If not, please correct me. Cam and JC. I did acknowledge you originally, but apparently my mic wasn't on. Hello, Rod. I'm eating quick here, so you're going to hear me muted for a couple more minutes. Good, and thank you for being here. It probably goes without saying, guys, but even though the market is open till noon on Thursday and on Friday, we will not be streaming. Thursday, I'll be watching the Macy's parade. And then Miracle on 34th Street. Friday, I don't expect much volume. I don't expect it to be worth trying to trade it. So we'll take a long 4-day weekend. An oxless weekend, 4 days, and then come back on Monday. Bounce there, back up. Volume could be down this entire week. A lot of traders go on vacation the Friday before Thanksgiving. So have to be careful of that as well. There's some traders that actually take the rest of November and all of December off, basically end their year the Friday before Thanksgiving. Take the entire holiday season off. Nose is stuffy this morning. Okay, give me a minute, guys. I just spilled my drink. Morning is not going well so far. I'll be right back, guys. Hey, I'm back. This morning is going lovely so far. Had a couple of minor disasters. One before the stream and one now. So let's try and there we go. Coming down, back down on ES. Kim, are they slaving you this week, or is this one of your easier weeks? What's the Ultra Bond doing here? Ultra Bond's still spotty. It's very spotty. Did Ultra Bond roll, or we just have that light of volume? Oops. That's not what I wanted to do either. But no, we're just that spotty anyway. There we go. On Thursday, on Thanksgiving? That really sucks. Hello, Chris. That job really sucks. Everyone should have Thanksgiving off. For like people that absolutely have to work, like firefighters and all that. But people burn down their house because they're trying to deep fry a turkey or something. Now, I finally got my breakfast done, got them spill cleaned up. Let's hopefully we can have some futures. $39.51.75. All right. Kim deserves the way they work. Kim deserves an all expense paid trip to wherever she wants to go, a boat or plane or however she wants to go. So we're watching the markets just kind of be flat right now. More than that. It does work. Cool. How's your weekend been, Matt? Matt, I have your Apex link there running in Nightbot. I think I have it running like every 30 minutes or so. That sucks, JC. You'll get the next one. This morning looks very choppy so far. I mean, we've been obviously coming down. But, well, you know what? Yes, we've been choppy for the last couple hours now. It looks like down, up, down, up. Not sure. Obviously, overall, the trend is down. But it's been a choppy trend. And like I said, volume could be down this week. I should probably go back and look to last year. Let's take a gander here. I have an ES there. That's a Dow. Let's look at ES here. Let's go to a daily. Let's turn back time. Turn back time. Whoa. Turn back way a lot of time there. Hold on. Last Thanksgiving week, I believe. Yeah, here it was. Volume. Volume wasn't horrible, I guess. Volume leading up to Thanksgiving was less than what it was after Thanksgiving. You can see the volume candles. These are the volume candles. So right here was this was the Monday before Thanksgiving. You can see the Monday and Tuesday were actually more volume than leading up to it. So maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's not going to be that bad of a week. But obviously the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, you see the volume drop. Friday was actually decent volume too. I'm still not streaming Black Friday. But the next week went crazy on volume. Well, maybe it's not going to be that volume. Yeah, I thought volume would be down, but I guess maybe not. So just ignore me on that. Good morning, Mr. G. Welcome. By the way, remind your folks that today, Monday, we have two streams. This morning stream, which you're in now, and we have an evening stream starting at 7:45 Eastern Time. Good luck with that, JC. So, if you're around tonight and want to join us, feel free. ES dipped and then back up. Ultra bond market opens in about 25 minutes. Glad to hear it. For those of you that, if anyone likes TradingView, their Black Friday sale has started. This is their Black Friday sale. Uh, 1 year of the Pro, 40% off, so it's $108 for 13 months. The Pro Plus, $179 for the year. Plus, well, actually for 13 months. And the premium is 60% off for the year, $288 for 13 months. I really wish I could afford to do that. I would love that. That would allow me so much more freedom than what I got. But definitely check out TradingView if you are interested. I have an affiliate link for that too. I should pop that up too. But definitely what I use, it's what you see on my screen every day for charting. And integrates with Tradovate if you own a company that uses Tradovate. Very nice. In fact, and there's the link for TradingView. If anyone wants to get me a Christmas gift, no, I'm kidding. So we are spotty, just kind of hanging out here, top of the hour. Yeah, 626. Yes, pulls down here at the top of the hour. And we're just kind of waiting and watching now. Look at crude coming down fast. Had that pop up that I mentioned, and then wow, down about 60 ticks there. Kind of double topped. Eh, one tick better than no tick. Ooh, big move down there on ES. And by big, I mean it's a whole 5 ticks, but compared to what we've been seeing, it's the biggest candle we've seen in a while. Continuing to push down here. Thank you, folks, for hitting that like button. I see we already have 10 likes. I appreciate it. If you haven't hit it and you enjoying this stream, appreciate if you do. Oh yeah, there it is. Touched it to the tick. So working on refining my strategy. Maybe going to a 5-minute chart mostly. Gonna continue refining it throughout the week and over the long weekend. Bitcoin had dipped under 16,000 again a couple of times overnight. All the way down to 15,957. It's back up above. There possibility of another one of their another exchange going under. It's a nice little candle, reversal candle there. Let's see if it heads back up. Gold popping up there, down about 5 ticks. Copper's been coming down. Nice little pop up there. Oh, big move up there on gold. All of a sudden everything's turning green. Okay, yep. Good call, Chris. Checking out agriculture. Down a little bit at the open and kind of flat since. Nice rise up here. Look at gold just popped there. Gold popped 2 straight 12-tick candles. And there's ES rising up. Let's zoom in on the ES. So this is a trigger candle that would not have worked. I don't think. Right here. But would it have? Yeah, with a 3-point stop, it would still be in that trade. Yes, it is, JC. So dip down to 39.51.5 has come up about 5 points. Continuing to rise, and we're above. Well, let's see if it double tops for this little pop up. Flirting with that, and not heading back up to maybe 39.60. They're struggling to get back through that area though, so we are. Well, actually, it is above it. Never mind. I'm an idiot. Continuing to rise up here. So yeah, Chris and JC called this one beautifully. You see the NQ move, about 15 points. ES about 6.
Yep, I hope they are as well.
It's kind of leveled out here. Yeah, no, still heading up. See if we get up to 39.60. Continuing. Crude pulling back a little bit. Gold leveling out. Yawning commencing. I'm not sure why I'm yawning this morning. Beautiful move here. Ultra bond continuing to move up as well. Beautiful move here. Looking at a 5-minute chart real quick. Let me just take a gander here. 5-minute chart, that was a nice move there. Could have possibly stayed in for this whole move. Little dip here. watching. Not much happening. So, still no Dakota. So it looks like he has left us. I wonder what happened. Gold's trying to rise a little higher. Again, no real news this morning at all. Very light today. Well, we have Chicago National Activity Index at 8:30. I don't see that moving the market much. And once again, the Black Friday sales have started for the eval companies. Apex announced theirs last night, 80% off. Again, I will wait to see what everybody has before jumping on those because you're gonna lose days of the month with Thanksgiving. But we will be following them all here on Aurora. I saw you just joined the Discord. I just did your verification manually. Welcome. You're here on the Discord. Keep we keep all the discounts up to date, or try to, for Top Step, Earn a Trade, Apex, Elite, Volanox, Trade Day, Tick Tick, U Profit, Lulu, and Take Profit. Gold continuing to push up here. Nice move up on gold. See, this is the day, well, the hourly chart on gold. You can see this nice candle up. It's been downtrending now for about 3.5 days, or 2.5, 3.5 days. We'll see what they offer. Well, uh, I mean, not using it for 60 to 90 days, you're gonna have that recurring monthly fee every month. So I mean, with Apex, depending on the size, I mean that's only maybe $30 a month.
But the thing is, Apex does these sales often, but this is the first time they ever did the sale in the following months as well. So I mean, if you're willing to pay the monthly fee each month, you know, I think with the 50K account is like $35, so it'd be like $35 a month. We just hit 39.59 for the high this move right now. In the year 39.59. Oh. Yep. Still rising up now. It's continuing to try and push. There's 39.60 and Q up to 11.650. Yep. The only thing I don't like about Apex is that constantly trailing drawdown versus an end of day drawdown. But they do have a static account as well, actually. But the drawdown that's really tight. $39.62. After you hit the original account value. So if you get the 50K account, your drawdown, I believe, is $2,000. So once you make that $2,000 where it meets the original value, then yeah, the drawdown stops. Some beautiful move up. After this, came down through the night, choppy, but came down, doop, 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 and then finally found a bottom here, it looks like. Trying to push back up. Next area there you can see is about 64. And kind of hanging here.
So we approach 8:30. Oh, my ears I just blew my nose, my ears popped open. Now I sound all weird. Oh, I sound weird. Do that very small piece of news at 8:30 that I don't think is going to cause any type of movement, but we'll see. Chicago National Activity Index. Watching here around 39.61. Gold, also beautiful move up there. Look at that. So came down to 1742, popped up all the way up to 1748.
Bitcoin got a rise out of that as well. Ultra bond up to 133.22. Nice move there. Had a little. Nothing. Didn't really respond to its open much though. Just continued its trend, but not a huge thing. So just kind of watching this continue to rise, or I shouldn't say right now. It's not really continuing to rise. It's trying to, but it's kind of stalling out here. Morning, Justin. Weekend was okay. How was yours? Yep, we're pulling back here. A little bit of move down here. Down about 2 points. Chicago National Activity Index negative 0.05. Expected was negative 0.025. So that was a miss. Yep. Very cold here as well. They want to warm up this week though. They actually went up to 56 on Wednesday, I think. Okay, here's CES trying to pop down. Reversal there. That was a nice reversal candle. The NQ on the 5. Yep, I've never had an account with Bow and Ox either. You'd think I would since it has Ox in the name, but not yet. I've had a Liu account in the past. I've had an Apex, a couple Apex accounts in the past. ETF, or trade Top Step. I don't think I'm going with anyone else. Never had a U profit. Never had a take profit. Oh yeah, Tick Tick. I forgot about Tick Tick. Never had a trade day. Never had a Bow and Ox. CES is kind of just flirting with that EMA. Trying to bounce off that EMA. It's kind of stagnant right now with about 55 minutes until the bell. Hanging out.
hanging around 39.60. NQ at 11.650. Ultra bonds doing a little pullback. Crude's kind of sideways, a little bit of grind up. Natural gas continues to push up. See, natural gas is going. UB at 09. Okay. Got a couple ticks before there. Little pop. Very slow price action right now. Eh, shouldn't be painting those candles. Should you just let them turn red and green yourself? I mean, themselves there, Matt. Yeah, it's just an amazing amount of snow. Matt LaRocco, I know you're in New York. Were you anywhere near where all that snow fell? Morning, Burl. How you feeling? Getting over that flu? Glad to hear it. Okay, good. Matt wasn't sure exactly where.
Do you normally get a lot of snow where you're at, Matt? I know you, apparently you're far enough away that you don't get lake effect. Gold pulling back. Excuse me now. Excuse me. Gold pulling down. It's giving it back about half that move. ES is hanging right on its EMA. So, it's everyone's Thanksgiving plans. Are y'all gonna even be here Wednesday? People have cooking to do on Wednesday and traveling and all that, or just trying to figure out how slow the stream's gonna be on Wednesday. And a lot of people travel Wednesday, day before Thanksgiving. Cool. Glad to hear that, JC. Awesome. Excellent. Hey, Michael. I love snow as long as I don't have to go out in it. Yes, continuing to try and just hang on the 3960 and Q right around 11650. About 45 minutes to the bell, 15 minutes to the energy markets open. Celsius. Let's see. Go to Google, Celsius to Fahrenheit. 45. Oh my god, 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow. Yeah, that would suck. Yeah, it's been very cold. It's been getting down into the teens Fahrenheit here. If they want to warm up this week. Well, that's good, but still, 113 or 45, whatever. That's just, there's no way I could be in a Christmassy mood with it that warm. I used to be all about a white Christmas, you know, I've only actually had like a white Christmas 3 or maybe 4 times in my life, but now you know what? Not so much. White Christmases. I mean, snowplow drivers don't get to spend Christmas with their families, and people get into accidents trying to go see family and all that other stuff. So now White Christmas is a beautiful thing, but it's probably better without it. I'm dreaming. So market's kind of stagnant. Just seeing a little pop up there on ES again, back up to 39.61 and a half. Yeah, I know what you meant, bro. I'm converting here. Yeah, 27 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been getting down to about 15 the last 2 nights here in Central Illinois. But this week they wanted getting back up into the 50s during the day. Surfing Santa. Oh wow. Yeah. I've never been someplace that's like warm for Christmas. It's always been either Pennsylvania or Illinois. And the warmest it usually gets for Christmas Day is like 50s Fahrenheit. Good morning, Ace. Yeah, we're very choppy here. Might be seeing it come down here. You saw it pop up there and then right back down, push straight back down. Been watching A Christmas Story, Ace? You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. Now, Grinch, was that the live action movie or was that did you watch the animated special? Yep, we're coming down there. Never actually watched the live action movie. I've watched the animated special every year. But I do like the song from the live action movie. Where are you, Christmas? Why can't I find you? Gold continuing to push. Okay. Overlay barrel.
Are you still having problems with them?
UB long? Oh yeah, nice move. Careful that double top up there at 22 though. But that was a nice little dip. See if it comes up. The purpose of having multiple accounts is to, let's say you want to do 4 contracts on one. That way you can spread your risk. 2 contracts on 2, and you're not, taking a big hit in either account or multiple accounts. Or I mean, if you have, you don't want to take more than 3 contracts in any one account, but you could take 30 contracts in 10 accounts. Good job, Ace. Just don't let that tick bite you. Don't want Lyme disease. Multiple accounts can also allow you to use micros instead of minis and still make a significant income. If I have 20 accounts, that's only, even if each account only makes $100 a day, that's $2,000 a day. No new sale that I'm aware of, the world above, but I assume by Friday everyone will have sales. We are keeping, good job, JC. We are going to be keeping up on the MightyOxTrading Discord. We have a special spot just for the prop firm discounts. We have 10 different props listed there. Might be adding Blue Sky if they do one as well. So, yeah, obviously Apex, I don't think you're going to get anything better than Apex, but I think you might see some try and match it. Uh, yeah, well, Apex has, Apex's code use for the 80% off, is this code. We're using Matt LaRocco's link, but that's the code for Apex for Matt LaRocco's link. But all of them everything's listed on the Discord if you want to be able to follow along this week. We did bounce back up there, back up to 39.61. And if any get announced before Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday this week, we'll announce them here on the streams. But obviously, we're not going to be streaming Thursday and Friday, so yeah, on our Discord. On our Discord here, we prop firm discounts. We list, I think there's 10 of them here. Top Step, Earn a Trade, Apex, Elite, Volanox, Trade Day, Tick Tick, U Profit, Lulu, and Take Profit. So yeah, and if anyone's gonna sign up, if you use, it'd be awesome if you use. Most of these are CFTs links. I don't really have a lot. I only have Earn a Trade and at Top Step. We use Matt LaRocco's for Apex, and we use Chef, his link for Elite Trader Funding. The rest are all CFTs, but CFT has helped out MightyOxTrading obviously a lot. So, you know, use one of our links for anything. Even if you don't get a further discount, it'll help me or Chef or Matt or CFT out. Hip Hop TV Dallas. Oh no, the real live account guys aren't going to go deep discount. Morning Speed Racer, thank you. Stay true. Yeah, what about Blue Sky Burl and
Yeah, you're not going to see any big discounts on Earn a Trade, Top Step, One Up, or Trade Day. You'll see something. Last year, Earn a Trade did 50% off all their Gauntlet minis. Me and Tick Tick aren't on speaking terms, so I'm not going to.
Blue Sky was started by someone that used to be in the Earn to Trade Discord, uh, Cowboy, Cowboy Mike. He's offered. They also have real live accounts that you never go into a live sim with them. It's. I honestly, you know, I didn't know whether or not it was going to succeed, but it seems like he's doing pretty good with it. So I'll have to talk to him to see if he has. I'm not even sure they have any type of referral program. Another move down here on ES. We're still hanging right around the 39.60 area. 2 minutes to go to the top of the hour. So Wayne. Terry. Hello, RTRTR. Hey, Tay. Bounce up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right. TC. Ultravod continues to rise up. New high day. There's the top of the hour. Crude dips and then comes right back up. And down crude down 13 ticks. Indices still not doing much here. Hey, Glitch, how you doing? Reminder, folks, we're having an evening stream tonight as well. We'll trade Asia tonight. 7:45 Eastern Time. Do that every Monday through the holiday season, then we'll see about expanding after the holiday season. Doing all right, Glitch. Thanks for asking. Ooh, look at crude. Quick burst up there. Boom. 38 ticks. ES comes back down. Still hanging right at 39.60. NQ still at 11,650. Down this little drop below there. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Ah, crude gave back that big candle right back down. Being hit with a case of the yawns. And down we come. Yep. Has to get through that 39.58 area. Excuse me. We're just hanging out 39.59 instead of 39.60. up, down, left, right. So boring price action here. Crude got real choppy. We're sideways on gold. Everything's sideways. I did kind of warn about this. We had no real news catalyst this morning, and this week could just be choppy. Wednesday's going to be a free for all, though. Bunch of news reports on Wednesday, and then FOMC meeting minutes. It's the holiday season. I think we're coming down, but I could be wrong. It happens, contrary to popular belief. Morning, John. How are you doing? I'm doing all right. No complaints. Copper made another new low there before bouncing. Gold there, ultra bond. Well, that the good thing is that means you haven't been stopped out. That's a good question. He's on my Discord. I heard we saw him. He posted last week once or twice. He's mentioned something about. Oh, let me find it. Uh, uh, let's see. Let's go take a look at this. No, that was that's only a 1 day thing. I'm not sure what happened to Weenie.
I'll have to tag him and find out. I'm not sure why he has not been streaming.
I'll be streaming today.
He's gonna be starting. Starting in 3 minutes.
Nope, no news today, Chris.
Is it Bach? What are you talking about? Oh, there's a move down. NQ down 8 points. ES is dropped. 2.25. All right, there you go. That was a nice 13-point move down on the Dow. Well, that sucks. Hopefully it's going to continue to come down. You see natural gas just blowing up. Wow, look at natural gas go. Look at that beautiful reversal candle right there. This is on a 5-minute chart. Look at that. That's beautiful. Boom. Wow, that's a $3,000 move in a little over an hour. Natural gas is big time move. No? Why do you say that, Burl? The spread is a little, it's always a little 3 to 5 ticks, but mind if you're enjoying today's broadcast. I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. About 15 minutes from the bell.
Apparently, Weenie was trading privately with just a few people last week. I had, let's see here. Yeah, let's stop talking about animal killing. Well, hello, RJ. I'm not sure what that knot was about. Still choppy. Good morning, RJ. Yes, heading back upwards. Ah, some natural gas. Awesome, RJ. Very, very happy for you. Ooh, big spike there and back down. 39.62 and then back right back down. Hands are cold. Oh, have a great day, JC. See you tomorrow. You're probably going to become more insulin resistant. Pulling back there after that move up. Big wick. Crude coming down. Wow, crude really came down to below 79, almost and almost getting down to 78. Oh, that's why. Saudis and other OPEC members are considering increasing reduction by up to 500,000 barrels per day. Big move there on the S. Ultra bond continues to move up above 134 now. About 7 minutes to the bell. Crude falls under 78. Gold pulling back just a tad. ES popping up to 39.64 here. And Q up to 11.670. A strong move here for the indices, and oil just like blowing downward. In fact, I think we might be. Oh, look at that candle and oil there. Hourly candle and oil down 223 ticks. Daily, I mean, the hourly chart here, you can see we have not been this low on oil. Wow. Look at that. Not been this low in oil since September 28th. Low there. See if it bounces off 76.25. If it does, then we haven't been this low since. Wait. Wait a minute. How far back do I need to go? Turn back time. There we go. It's a lot of lines. Since January. So it's quite the fall. Great job, Chris. Hello, Judah. Oh, big move down there on NASDAQ and ES as we come back here. 2 points down, 13 points down. May have found the top. We are just 3.5 minutes from the bell. I haven't seen her in a few days. Bunch of people I haven't seen recently. Black Beauty, Kieran, Dakota. Her crude hit 77 exactly and bounced. Nice move down here now. And 30 seconds to the bell. Get a little whippy here right before the bell. Popping up. Let's go. Yeah, let's go to a 5-minute chart here on NQ. I mean on ES. And we'll watch ES up 3 points, 5 points on NQ. That big move down there in that last 5 minutes. That's what I do. You know, the one crappy thing about the internet. I mean, there's lots of crappy things about the internet, but one crappy thing about the internet is that it's just so easy to lose track of people. They could just disappear and you have no idea what happened to them. It's not like real life where if you don't see your neighbor in a couple of days, you might like call an ambulance just to make sure they're okay. Have no clue whatever happened to Vincent Nieves. Still miss Vincent. Bunch of others from the early days of the chat, of the stream. Now Dakota's going missing. Kieran's going missing. Meanwhile, NQ is up 22 points. ES up 3.5. There, 9 points up on ES here. 10 points up on ES. NQ up 37, 39, 40. Crude not doing much, trying to stay above 77. 41 points there on NQ. ES hanging right at 10. Beautiful moves. Almost straight up here. Pulling back just a tad. Just a tad right now. First 2.5 minutes in of this 5.85 minute candle. Great job, Glitch. Pulling back here a little bit now. Pull back about 13 points. So thank you. ES about 2. Crude just broke 77s, below down to 76. In the 76s, I should say, not down to 76. NASDAQ giving up this whole 5 minute candle almost. It's only up 16.5. ES giving up about half. Wow. We just went red after that big move down. So it went up about 40 points, 45, and is now giving it all back. $30 on this opening 5 minute candle in red. That definitely looks like a reversal candles. Come down. So the opening 5 minute candle there ended up down on NQ by 10 points. Slightly green on ES by 1.25 points. Trying to pop back up now. Let's go back to our 1 minute chart. That's an interesting little pyramid there on the 1 minute chart. Curious. Oh yeah, well into that third band. That would have been a great reversal. Great reversal play. Oops. And we're coming down. 39.57 on ES. Gold also coming down. Crude under 77. So after this ugliness here, that we did get that rise up, so been a good trigger candle, and this would have been a good trigger candle back down. And bouncing back up. Still choppy. It's just a little wider of a chop. And we're watching. I tend to agree, Gossip, but Wednesday could be interesting. They're packing a whole bunch of news into Wednesday morning. And then we have FOMC meeting minutes Wednesday afternoon. But yeah, Wednesday morning. Um, Overnight there's a bunch of stuff coming out, but 7:30 you have you have the initial jobless claims, you have the durable goods report, continuous jobless claims, the S&P services flash, PMI flashes at that's at 9:45, and at 10 o'clock you have the University of Michigan sentiment and the U.S. new home sales. And then crude oil inventories at 10:30, and then FOMC meeting minutes at 2. So Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, is going to could be wild. And pushing down. I use Financial Juice. Hey, Crypticon. So pop back up to the EMA, and then struggling to try and get above there. Let's see if it does. Jeff Bezos of Amazon sees a recession coming and has said, "Don't buy a TV or fridge. Hold on to your money." Interesting. Nice, Crypticon. The Ontario Teachers Pension Plan says it has lost $75 million in the FTX collapse. Pushing back down here in ES. Wow, look at crude falling. Crude is now at its lowest point since January. Markets are kind of yucky. That crude would have been so nice to short. Why couldn't they have let me know before they were going to announce that whole oil thing? That'd been nice, wouldn't it? But wow, 75. Just that quick. Look at how fast it's moving here. It's kind of amazing. Look at this candle. 336 ticks, $3,300. Once again, we'll just go to a daily chart here. We've broken that support right there. January 4th, 2020. I'm sorry, 2022. It's the last time we were this low. Bouncing a little bit here. Morning, Chef. Meanwhile, natural gas blowing up. Glad to hear it, Chef. Yeah, and I remember you mentioning that, Burrow. Ultra bond hanging a little above 134. Oh, awesome, Chef. Congratulations. Ooh, popping back up. Popping fresh. Oh. Nice move up. Hopefully, this will mean we'll see prices coming down at the pump, but obviously probably not in time for the Thanksgiving travel season. But maybe when you all come home for Christmas. I'll be home for Christmas. What happened there, Matt? You still having? Is it still giving you issues, or just? And Q up 32 points on this 5-minute candle. You see the rise up there on the 1 minute on ES. Chris. Matt, you've been doing so well lately. Just take a step back. The reason that you profits is since that day it got all discombobulated. And yes, so it's just a reason for me to use the term discombobulated. It seems like you got on tilt on that. You just need to give yourself some time to like refresh. Chef wants you to get naked apparently. And that's the time that stops, in all seriousness, Matt. Enjoy your time with the family this week or the holiday week. Take the time off. I don't even know who Bob Anderson is. ES, 3-bar play here, maybe? Still pushing up. Back up to 39.56, I think. No, 66, sorry. I was sitting back. I couldn't read the screen. I'm getting old. Oh. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, I do remember seeing that, Matt. I didn't actually look at it. It was on the agenda for today. Later today. I do look at stuff. I just put it aside until my YouTube time is usually in the afternoons. Probably should put if it's good stuff like educational, we should probably put it in the educational area on the Discord. We're kind of hanging here at 39.60-ish, 67-ish. Oh, there we go. There's another burst. Never mind. Wow, moving on up. Ooh, we to the deluxe apartment. No. So yeah, honestly, I thought we were coming down here. I'm glad it did not take that short. Well, not that I have an account that I could anyway. And we're popping on up. And Q approaching 11,700. Still well off the high of the day, but not out of the realm. 11,756 was high.
which was the opening candle. I'm gonna wait to see what everybody has. I figure getting any evaluation accounts right away this week is a waste because you end up losing the 2 days. Because I'm not gonna trade it Thanksgiving or Black Friday, so might as well just wait to see what everybody has. And the other thing is, if I get something else with a rhythmic, I'm gonna have to get it a VPS because I already had two rhythmics on two machines. But remember, folks, Black Friday sales have started. Apex has their 80% sale going. See Matt LaRocco's link in the Nightbot's been posting it. It's also in the video description, but maybe not. I can't remember if I put it down there or not. I'll look later. But we'll be keeping up with that all week on the Discord. Special spot for it. Our prop firm discount spot, channel, whatever you want to call it. Keeping track of like 9 or 10 of them there. We do that all the time, but obviously this week should be a little bit more crazy. Yep, I can almost guarantee they're not going to have a big sale. None of the ones that, you know, put you in a real live account with a plan. I don't, obviously Apex can put some people on live accounts, but most don't. But the ones that put you on live accounts with a plan, so One Up, Earn a Trade, Top Step, Trade Day, they all don't run super duper 80% type sales by any means. I mean, honestly, I never really looked. I don't know what kind of sales, if any, One Up runs, at all. See NQ coming back down here. ES also dropping. Last year in the trade did 50%. Yeah, hey Hassan. Yeah, trade day had a 50% once. Be interesting. Obviously Black Friday's the king of all sale days and so on and so forth, or the holiday season in general. So be interesting to see if what these firms do, especially with Apex starting it off. I mean, Apex obviously set the bar. I obviously I don't think anyone's going to beat 80%. I mean, Lilu's a little crazy too. So, they might do something really extreme, but uh Apex people, do you know? Justin? Yeah, Lilu did a $3 or $5 account once, so yeah, there you go. Bouncing here on the EMA and ES.
Here comes ES again. Try to come down. Look at ES on a 5-minute. That was a nice reversal candle in that last 5-minute. You can see it's come down. I'm honestly hoping for a really good sale from Elite Trader Funding again, only because I want to be able to. For the stream, I prefer to trade off TradingView, Tradovate. So, and I'll probably go back if I can find something good. I'll probably go back to showing my trades again, but we'll see. I don't have a lot of money to spend. Okie dokie, chef. And trying to bounce again here. Yeah, I'm gonna just start hiding people if they get stupid. That was a nice little bounce there, up 3 points, pulling back again. So, that was a nice trigger candle there, nice bounce candle there. Nice. 660, nice. There you go, Chris. Looking good. Gold pushing down. Pulling back. Speed Racer, I see you in Discord. I just did your verification manually for you. Pushing down here. Odds, Chris. Break even's better than a loss. Gold continuing to grind down. So we talked about gold's move up earlier here. Pulled back, tried again, pretty much double topped, slightly lower, and now down and gave almost this whole move back. Oil is flattened. Big move down there on ES. And then Q obviously as well. Ultra Bond also starting to break down. Maybe our 10:30 reversals starting a little early. Nice little 3-bar there again. Boop, boop, boop. Gold falling fast. Remember, folks, we have an evening stream tonight, 7:45 Eastern Time for a couple hours. Trade Asia session. We'll be doing that every Monday night through the holiday season. Check to make sure Rudolph was not on a Monday night. Big push. Look at gold go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 straight red candles. Not that I don't want to compete with it. It's that, you know, even though I have no kids, I still watch it every year. See, gold here basically bounced. So this is an hourly hourly chart. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, really. And you can see how it bounced off that EMA and down. And Q dropping hard. So NQ tried to get up to 11,700, came within one tick of it, as dropped 80 points since. Just down to 35.55 in the year. And a bounce. I didn't see any of the major specials on a Monday night. Yes, I did look. Let's see here. I'll have that up here somewhere. Frosty and Frosty Returns is on Friday night. And Rudolph is on Tuesday night. Tuesday, November 29th. I'll see, Ace. Did you get your 2? Oh, nice. So you did catch that bounce. Very nice. Good job. Seems like a mismatch there, Speed Racer. I think the 49ers will easily beat the Celtics. Celtics only have 6 versus 11 for the 49ers. Or 5. It's actually 5 basketball. Totally ruined the joke. Bounce there in gold by 14 ticks. So everything's kind of bouncing here. Yeah, it was my joke that was weird there. Chris, not his. No, that was all on me. Yeah, things really aren't trending, really running today so far. Up and down, up and down. Combine them and make apple nuggets. Morning, Tiff. I'd love to see Ace and RJ do an eval and see how they do. So NQ hanging around 11,630. Yes, around 39.58. Back under that 39.60 level it stuck at earlier. Crude's trying to fall more. Ultraviolet really took a big dip. Bitcoin trying to hang on to 16,000 to get good news that another exchange is not going to fail. Copper fallen. Natural gas continues to blow up. This is amazing move of natural gas. Beautiful. Beautiful. Crude's dropped almost $5 today. Is that like the way the Jetsons come on when he takes out the bill and she just takes the wallet? We're stagnant right now. About 45 minutes left on the stream. They had flying cars. Hold on 1 second. Back. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. I haven't looked at silver in a long time. What's silver doing anyway?
Silver got really high there, 22.38, pulled back a bunch over the last couple of days. Excuse me 1 second. It's back. I bet you missed me for all of that 22 seconds. Back again. I hope, did you miss me for that 8 seconds that time? Sorry, got a couple things going on. Uh, so, not much going on right at the moment. We're watching, we're waiting, hesitating. Hold on 1 second. Excuse me 1 second. Again. Back again. And here we come down. Now we're finally seeing a move down. Consolidation down to 39.53. Ah, there's a drop. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Wow. Big move down. 39.50. ES down below 11,600. So it took about half an hour to go from 700 to 600 on NQ. Ow. Bitcoin falling as well here. Everything seems to be falling. Well, actually, Ultra Bond rising up. NQ below 39.50. I'm sorry, ES, not NQ. If NQ is down below 39.50, we would really be in trouble. People be jumping off bridges and stuff. Popping back up. Little pop up back to 39.50. AQ's trying to stay below 600. And back above 600. Little bounce. Little bounce.
Have a good day, Burl. See you tomorrow. Just kind of sitting here and waiting. Just watching to see what we want to do here. Came down nicely. Now kind of consolidating. See if we go for another push down. You know what? This can come out. Back.
Watching and waiting. Nothing going on. About ready to hit 10:30. We'll see whether or not where we go. We kind of already started the what appeared to be the reversal, but maybe will be a reversal of the reversal. Yeah, I'm not a soccer fan at all. I mean, I'll look at the scores, but I won't watch. I get bored with soccer. Yeah, I follow all sports a little bit. Watch the scores and stuff, headlines. But yeah, only thing I really watch anymore is baseball. And I'll watch the Super Bowl. I don't even watch football anymore. I have a problem with football and all the injuries. Pushing back down under 600 here on NQ. 3950 is the magnet here on ES. Ouch. Yeah, it's just, I don't know.
Never could get into it. And I always hated how, soccer fields started popping up everywhere back in the 80s. And that's when we started seeing, like, baseball fields lose their fences and at schools. Always felt that soccer took something away from baseball. I know that's a weird thought, but we're just kind of doing nothing here right now. So you're going to hear me putting some groceries away. Yes, I'm good at multitasking. Kinda. Sorta. Hanging right around 39.52. We have oil back under 76. Gold is at 17.38. Sorry about the noise. Reminder, folks, we are on tonight as well. I will not be putting groceries away tonight. 7:45 Eastern time for the Asia session. We'll stream for a couple hours.
Ultravant coming back up.
NQ trying to stay above.
So stay above 11,600. ES. Low of that move there is 39.47. We're at 39.49. Copper had leveled out and now making another move down there. And that's making a new low a day, you can see there. Pretty big move down there on copper.
Little bounce there, 39.51 as everyone got really quiet. Not going anywhere right now. Can't really. It's just boring. I'm gonna look at a 5-minute chart here in a couple of things. It's charting out 5 minutes. You can see here. All right, these are the 1-minute things. This has been a great play off the 5 right there. And here, just these touches and that go down below the moving average, but don't change it. Come back up. You see, this has been beautiful. This is our, open. Obviously, this big candle. I mean, it would have worked. 104 points. This has been a great reversal candle. See how that reversal candle there? That is a classic reversal candle. We've come down since. You can see here from 70 all the way down to 47. It's about a 20-point drop overall. Go back to our 1 for now. One such a lonely gold. So nice move down here. Beautiful trigger candle right there. That's a beautiful candle right there. And this move down from 43 all the way down to 37. $600 move. Let's look at it on a 5. Let's consolidate right on the EMA. Finally broke up. Could have caught that move up. Came down, bounced. This has been another nice move. 45 up to 48. So, 30 ticks. Down. Trigger candle there. Could have got a quick scalp. Let it come back up. Come back down. Boom. And then again. That would have been some nice trading there. If I could have done it. Could I have done it? We'll see. Crude oil. Obviously it's moved in. Let's look at crude on a 5. Since the time we would have started trading.
which would have been hither. Right here, this has been right as it came on. Nice move down. Wait for a red candle for confirmation. Move down. 86 down to 47, so about 40 ticks. It would have reversed, maybe caught about 30. Came up and then back down. 2 candle confirmation, weight coming down. And if you had held through this, though, it did pull back. Entry point was about 79.57. It popped up to 79.75, so you would need like a 20 tick stop. But if you had held, you see what you could have got. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. That would have been a beautiful hold. And you know what they say, you gotta know when to hold them. Know when to fold them. Now this 1 minute, you see it popping up and popping back down. While the indices are boring. Boring. Train thinks it's boring too. This is true. So we have about 15 minutes left on this stream. See if anything good happens. You can see here, this is the 1 minute chart on NQ. This would have been the trigger but went up, down, but either one of these could be a trigger without being dangerous. We could start there. Could have done a 10-point stop, and you can see you could have caught, you know, potentially if you stayed in, followed the EMA. 80 points? Yeah, 80 points. To the new subscribers today, thank you. We're up over 1,150, up to 1,151. If you haven't already said hello, please feel free. And everyone should always feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions and comments are always welcome. Or if this is going to be a type of day we just grind down all day. Been a grind since, you know, we had this choppiness at the open, and then since then just kind of grinding.
Crude's back over 76.
Another move down there. Ooh, wow, big move down there. ES down 3.5 points. And Q now down to 579. What's our low a day? Oh, we are at low a day, duh. So we're making new lows a day. We're below the lows of Friday as well, obviously. Thursday's low was 528, so we're about 60 points away. 55. Something like that. Something like that. And crude, another nice move down there. How's our P&Ls looking today, guys? Nice, RJ. You know, Chris said he was up. John and DeFore, are you up? Ace got his too. Got to feed his family. As we continue to grind down here. So they say 75% of Thanksgiving weeks are end up being a bullish week. I don't know, maybe because we've had that CPI data on Thursday, or well, not Thursday, but yeah, well, whenever the 10th was. I lose track. 10 days ago, whatever. And we had that big gap up and that rally. Maybe this isn't. You see, we've been coming down here now since last Tuesday when we hit 12 at 118. So then just a pretty consistent grind down with a little bit of a pop on Friday. Yep. And once again, a reminder that if you're someone that likes to trade on TradingView or would like to check out TradingView,
You know, it's my favorite charting platform. I think it's the best. TradingView's Black Friday sales have gone live. 40% for a full for 13 months for 108, 50% for 179 for the Pro Plus, or 60% off just $288 for 13 months for TradingView. I really really wish I could afford this right here. I would love that. That would be so awesome. But yeah, and you can get a month free to try it out. Not for the Black Friday sale. If you ever want to try out TradingView, they do give a free month. But that's not, obviously you can't try it out for a free month and then get the Black Friday sale. But yeah, this is just a great opportunity to get an absolutely awesome price on TradingView for a full 13 months. I'll post that link here in the description. I'm sorry, in the description, in the chat. As we continue to watch, it's just a slow grind. Obviously, this is not moving down at any fast velocity. We've had a couple of big candles, but you know, mostly small candles, less than a point each as we grind down. Same with NQ, just a couple of points. Watching a few minutes ago here on the stream, but remember we're here tonight too, 7:45 Eastern Time for an Asia stream. And barring any unforeseen things, we'll be doing that Monday the 28th, as well as December 5th, 12th, and 19th as well. I don't know about December 26th. I'll probably take that whole day off, but we'll see. And then after the new year, we'll see if we want to expand our Asia streams or not. See where I'm at trading wise. Cool, Chris. I mean, yeah. Stop in, say hi. Trade a little if you feel like it. If you're not, that's okay. It's always nice to see you either way.
Ooh, lean hogs moved up nicely there. So not much. A decent morning, I guess. I mean, we kind of choppy, but there was some moves to be had. I think tomorrow's gonna be another boring morning, and then Wednesday is gonna be absolutely crazy. Crazy. And maybe we'll start talking some Thanksgiving subjects. Put up some polls maybe tomorrow and Wednesday. Favorite pie, favorite Thanksgiving meal, dish, things like that. Cranberry sauce, fresh or out of a can. Do some fun stuff. Gonna do some fun stuff for Christmas as well. Doing all my thumbnails are gonna be Christmas themed for YouTube. Been working on those. And no guarantees, but I've been trying to come up with a trader's night before Christmas. Was the day before Christmas and all? Well, we'll see. Yeah, it's trying to pop up here a bit. Hey, Avi, how you doing? Nice to see you as well. As we wrap up, folks, if you enjoyed today's stream, if you haven't hit that like button yet, I would appreciate it if you did. Continue to uh, try and grow the channel. I have a whole bunch of plans that, as long as I have the time, I hope to improve things after the new year for the channel. Start doing some more non-live content, all that fun stuff. Start getting things really moving. Well, I appreciate that, Avi. Nice little pop-up. Nice. Oops. And popping up.
So I think that's where we're going to call it here, guys. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. I hope you'll join me tonight, 7:45 Eastern Time. If not, back here tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day and stay green. And, well, I guess that's it. Have a great day, guys. Thank you. Bye.
Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.